Welcome back. Let's understand S3 replication. Sometimes you need to apply S3 replication to have your bucket data available in another AWS region, for reasons such as reducing latency for your users who are far from the AWS region in which your bucket data resides. For example, let's say your bucket is in the Northern Virginia region, and most users are in India. In that case, your users from India may have latency to access your bucket contents in Northern Virginia. To reduce latency for your India users, you can replicate your bucket in Mumbai AWS region. This is called cross-region replication. You can also perform the same region replication. For example, same region replication helps you address data sovereignty and compliance requirements by keeping a copy of your objects in the same AWS region as the original. When S3 objects are replicated using the same region replication, the metadata, access control lists, and object tags associated with objects are also get replicated. In other words, both cross-region and same region replication can be performed. The versioning must be enabled in the source and destination for replication. Buckets can be in different accounts. Replication is done asynchronously. We need to give proper IAM permissions to S3. When you activate replication, only new objects after activation will be replicated. You can, optionally, replicate existing objects using S3 batch operation. S3 batch operation replicates existing objects and objects that have failed replication. There is no chaining of replication. If bucket X replicates into bucket Y and bucket Y replicates into bucket Z, then the bucket objects from X will not be replicated on bucket Z. For delete operations, delete markers can be replicated from the source to the target bucket. This is an optional setting. Let's look into S3 replication use cases. S3 cross-region replication can be used for compliance, reduced latency access, and replication across accounts. S3 same region replication can be used for log aggregation and live replication between production and test environments.